All right. Good work so far. Now welcome to the home stretch. Let's talk about how to display your beautiful APA style tables and figures in your APA style paper. There are two options that you have in terms of where you put the tables, but it is kind of an all or nothing, and so you want to think about all the different tables and figures that you have and think about whether you want to embed all of them in the paper or you want to stack them at the end of the paper. So make sure to think about these two options. Now, the first option is to embed them in the body of your text. And so if you do that, then all the tables and figures that you have for the paper will go into the body of your paper. And they will be shown right after they're first mentioned. Now, right after you mention them, but not right after necessarily that particular sentence where you mention it, and you want to make sure that you mention your table by number. You want to have a paragraph, a full paragraph before it, so that it's not just cutting into the middle of the paragraph. So place after a full paragraph on the same page. And then add a double space blank line between the table and any text, front and back, before and after, so that the text and the table have good separation, easier on the eyes. And so this is how you would embed a table into your paper. And so in general, you want to think about, making sure that your tables will fit in a regular standard 1-inch margin page. If it doesn't, then maybe the next option would be better. And so all the tables and figures will go now after the reference list, and all the tables go first. And so if you have 3 tables, for example, you do table 1, 2, and 3, and they immediately follow the end of the reference list on the new page. And then the figures then follow all the tables. So figure 1 and then blah, blah, blah. And each table or each figure should go on one page. And so if you have table 1, that starts on a new page right after the end of the reference list. And then table 2 goes onto a new page, and so on. So that's all. Now you are an expert on APA style tables and you can create them in Word. It is a beautiful world. Congratulations. Always fun to be with you. Have a great week. Talk to you soon. Adios.